For the first time ever in the electric utility industry, an actual measurement of electrical equipment problems has been completed. This measurement system followed 20,000 miles of distribution circuits over the United States. Each year, more electrical equipment fails, and the infrastructure for distribution overhead is the largest concern in this area. One thing we did learn is that well-maintained infrastructure does not create emissions. But that doesn't mean new systems don't create emissions. When we go out, we find twice as many problem sites to be prioritized and addressed than what would come from the DOE study that demonstrated an $80 billion impact on the United States economy. The study would have predicted 13,000 sites, we found 26,000. From those sites, we were able to determine there was a priority to repair 1,122 sites. The study had no way to predict that and no way to help the utilities find that information. Now, if we take the data from the DOE study and look at their estimate of an avoided cost associated with an outage, they estimate $6,700 is the number to avoid by removing a piece of equipment before the failure occurs. So if you apply the $6,700 number to those 1,100 outages, that's a $7.5 million problem right there. This is the problem for the utility to avoid spending. And if they avoided those 1,100 outages, their safety number improves, all their other reliability statistics improve. We also learned that reliability is largely a reactive, not a proactive situation within the electric utilities themselves. Billions of dollars are spent each year on outage management systems, SCADA systems, workforce management systems, in the hopes that when an outage occurs, the response can be quicker from the utility and the customer can be served better. We determined with our customers that asset health management is the important issue, not asset management. The transformers, the switches, the cutouts, they're not going anywhere unless they fail. So knowing where they are is one issue. Knowing when they're sick and need to be replaced is the big issue. What we found was at different layers within the utilities, there was a want for reliability improvement, but there was no integrated pathway to achieve that. We also understood that within the utilities themselves, there was very few programs to manage and reduce safety. If we reduce the problem, all the other measurements improve as a result. The key here is this. When you remove a piece of equipment before it fails, you address the lowering of safety in the organization. The frequency of outages drives all other reliability numbers. With the help of our partners, we were able to tune and develop our system to become 100% effective in finding equipment that's going to fail so utilities can prioritize their work. With Exactor's technology, measurement of electrical equipment, the second largest problem in electrical reliability today, the 30% issue that all utilities are dealing with, is now available and can be used to manage the problem. When you measure the problem, you can manage the problem. And Exactor provides a way to do that.